Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil, and today is all about an upgrade on a Maserati Levante. We're going to take the audio system to a whole nother level. So the Maserati is all complete. Let's run you through the final spec on the system and walk you around the entire vehicle. Firstly, what we've got here is the custom A-pillars with the enthusiast tweeters color coded to match the interior on an Alcantara trimmed panel. So these are fully hand built in-house. They look absolutely incredible. This whole system is basically like an OEM plus design. It's very minimalistic in here. Wanted basically just a kind of a stock look mostly. However, that element of customization with the enthusiast tweeters, which look absolutely phenomenal. So that is kind of the higher frequencies, the center stage of the sound system. Then we went for an OEM look in the doors. These behind the factory grills are the Hertz Melee Legend 6.5-inch mid-bass drivers. Then in the rear doors, we've got the Audison Voce range. So we've gone for the Audison Voce AV 1.1 tweeter and the Audison Voce 6.5-inch mid-bass driver in the bottom of the door. That is the speaker configuration, and then over into the boot area. So this is where a lot of the work has taken place. So behind this panel that you see here, we've actually got two amplifiers in this system. One amplifier is the Audison Forza 12 channel, and the other amplifier is the Audison Forza 1 channel. What our client was after was retaining all his boot space, but wanted a lot more depth of sound, but also retaining some storage, which was no easy task, but our team have managed to do it. So if we lift this floor up, so as you can see, we've got the Noco Boost Pro, which is, these are all kind of things that the client had underneath the floor, and we've managed to retain those things. So as you can see here, we've got retention of location for his business cards, we've got the boost there, which is all done, and then also the genuine parts all here for the locking wheel nut and towing eye, that is all retained. But just want to go through the level of detail that's gone into this. This is all custom built, designed in-house, and this actually removes. This whole panel can come out in a little tray form basically, so it does lift out, but it's custom built, and also on the inside of here it's all completely padded. The reason why we've padded it is to not only support obviously the parts that are in there, but also reduce the rattles that potentially may have occurred, and it sounds absolutely amazing in here. And underneath here we've actually got the 10-inch sub. So this is the Hertz Melee Pro 10-inch deep sub in a custom enclosure built in a custom fiberglass box underneath all here. But just look at it, it just looks absolutely incredible, and it also retains so much space, well, all of the space basically that you've got in the factory boot floor. And then obviously with the door cards, we have also acoustically deadened them with the Skins 3mm layer. We've done a hell of a lot of acoustic treatment on this vehicle. Front, rear doors, floor area, as well as all of the boot areas all been done. A hell of a lot of treatment has been done on this vehicle to get it sounding nice and solid, but also also reducing road noise and building a better environment for the system to work in. But just look how nice these custom A-pillars look on this vehicle. They look absolutely incredible. Really happy with the final finish results on the Maserati. It looks absolutely incredible with them being matched in perfectly with the interior. It just blends in so nicely. So now let's have a little bit of a listen to it, see how it sounds. You guys will be able to experience the final result of the Maserati Levante system with the Cambridge car audio treatment.
That's